Yep, so here we are with the Mbox. Previously, we had this almost inverted and shoulder that I draw on the 4 hour time frame, but I'm just going to remove every single drawings at the moment. And let's see, so we did have this support level down right over there. And right now, we are putting in another level right over here as well. So you did break out of this level after a very, very long time. So it's time to actually back test this level. It seems like all you're doing is you're just going to come down for a back test, nothing else. Like you've been overextended to the upside and now you're coming back for the back test. And it seems like there's a possibility of coming down to 0.699 level and hold this level and then start to make an upper trend as well. I just want to see if the EMAs are making any cross. So you do have the 55 at the moment being crossed. The 10 and the 20 already have a cross right here, so that's amazing. So you can see that if you do come down here, then you probably might be coming down to backtest the 10 EMA, and then you backtest the 10 EMA. Not only do you backtest and hold the 10 EMA, but what you do as well is you have this resistance there, resistance here, resistance here as well, resistance there as well, and then you finally broke it out and then you went up like this. All you're doing is coming down and you want to hold it as support, and then from there you continue with the uptrend as well. So let's talk about the technical target. I don't know if it's met or not, but we're going to see if the technical target is met, or if it's not met, then what is it going to be. Actually, if you look at it this way, it almost seems like you met the technical target. So be careful if you actually start to come down for Mbox under this level and close below this trend line again like this, then you might be actually making deeper retracement down to that level, which is going to be 0.581. So be super careful at the moment. So let's see what happens next. And that's it for this Mbox update. Let's move on to the next one. It's going to be lever.